Welcome to ETTIS, European Security Trends and Threats in Society, a research project funded by the European Union's 7th Framework Programme. In a globalized world in which our well-being is threatened in often unexpected ways, we need to find ways to plan for future security. The European research project ETTIS tries to tackle this problem by exploring future security needs. What kinds of security issues might matter for us in the future? Instead of trying to find solutions to specific security problems that don't yet exist, it asks what kind of security needs societies will have in the future. Instead of planning for a future of technologically oriented security devices, it plans for a future of socially oriented security needs. The ETTIS project uses scenarios to explore the future. The project doesn't predict the future, but it points out uncertainties, risk factors, and opportunities that can help us to consider alternative future developments and how these may impact the security of individuals. Experts who create the scenarios work together with various actors who can play a role in shaping a secure future. This work results in assumptions of future needs. The ETTIS project addressed different focus areas: the security of cyber infrastructure, of nuclear installations, and of the environment in general. For each of the three areas, alternative scenarios were developed. Let's look more closely at two of the scenarios concerning the cyber infrastructure. The first cybersecurity scenario describes an interconnected, integrated world, characterized by economic and political stability, especially within the EU. It is a world where great effort is made to protect Internet systems, a condition for the stability of society. It presumes that great power conflicts are not the main threat, but threats to computer-based infrastructures. In this scenario, the Internet is governed by widely respected public bodies. The confidence enjoyed by such bodies allows them to introduce new network innovation. It features strong international collaborations in the prevention and prosecution of cybercrime and cyber-terrorism. Technologies designed to provide cyber systems put user needs at the center stage. There is varying acceptance in society, depending on the perception of risks and risk awareness, as well as opportunities of these technologies. The second cyber scenario describes a global situation characterized by competing political systems and strong security industries. In this scenario, the security economy is oriented towards fully controllable technologies and aims at achieving a very high level of security. In this scenario, international cooperation against cybercrime and terrorism is limited and difficult. The EU legal framework is ineffective in reality. It over-regulates through too many, partly contradictory rules. In this scenario, people have trust in technological solutions. Technology is generally seen as a solution for security challenges, and new technologies are hyped. There is an increased diffusion of ICT in all spheres of society and business. An open society with many digitally competent individuals. What do these ETTIS scenarios mean for different social actors, and how can they be used? First of all, each scenario provides a snapshot on how both macro and micro features can play a role in shaping different kinds of European societies, where different types of security-related needs may emerge. In turn, this may promote a discussion on security policy as well as research and innovation policy between policymakers, researchers, and industry. And what do these scenarios tell us about society's security needs? They help ETTIS identify some of the specific sources of societal security that need to be nurtured. Ultimately, these societal security needs will provide guidance in the design of future R&D choices. Some societal security needs are common to many scenarios and have a high importance. for example, education and training, building security culture and strengthening resilience in policy, industry and society. All in all, ETTIS offers a methodological approach, through the scenarios developed, to identify and address security-related needs in society. There is an important step in informing an open debate about the multiple challenges of complex futures. In this way, the ETTIS project promises to contribute to set research agendas, inform policymakers, industry and society about societal security research priorities.